With over 30 years of specialized expertise, KGY Industrial Group has established itself as a leading manufacturer of advanced heating, cooling, and ventilation systems. Guided by continuous innovation, deep technical knowledge, and a dynamic approach, we've set new standards in the HVAC industry. Through our dedicated R&D team, comprising some of the industry's most accomplished specialists, we've driven groundbreaking advancements in heating technology, establishing KGY as one of the world's foremost innovators and leaders in heating, ventilation, and thermal solutions. Our mission is to design, engineer, and manufacture efficient heating systems tailored to diverse industrial applications. Our product portfolio includes WA series heaters, premium high-performance units engineered for demanding industrial and commercial environments, where only the highest levels of technology and engineering excellence are acceptable. Eco series heaters, cost-effective, innovative solutions designed especially for the agriculture sector, ideally suited for both small and large-scale greenhouses. KG series heaters, robust, precision-engineered systems delivering powerful, energy-efficient heating for industrial and semi-industrial facilities, such as production halls, warehouses, and workshops. KG direct-fired heaters, advanced units developed for rapid uniform heating in poultry farms and large-scale construction projects. All of these heaters are exclusive innovations of KGY, fully designed, engineered, patented, and registered in-house, without any domestic or international equivalent. The expertise and innovation embedded in our product have been recognized and certified by leading national and international authorities. At KGY Industrial Group, we remain committed to significant investments in state-of-the-art manufacturing technologies and the ongoing expansion of our R&D division, ensuring the consistent delivery of innovative, high-quality products well into the future. For detailed technical information on each product and to learn more about KGY's innovations, please visit the dedicated product pages on our website.